Ridge products? The King 1.0 lens delivers a very crisp, high-contrast weld view with a distinctive deep blue tone that makes puddle control easier on the eyes during long days under the hood. Its wide shade range from light to very dark effectively replaces a stack of fixed lenses, so you can move between processes and amperages without constantly swapping gear. The auto-darkening response is extremely fast and consistent, snapping to the proper shade almost the instant you strike an arc to help protect your eyes from unexpected flashes. Solar-assisted power with replaceable coin cell batteries means you can weld for a very long time without worrying about frequent battery changes or complicated charging routines. The lens feels solidly built with tight internal alignment, so there is no distracting double image or rattle, and the housing stands up well to daily shop use. Ridge backs this lens with generous return and replacement support, which adds confidence for welders who depend on their hood for everyday production work.